Hey, how's it going, guys? Culture from Agentic here, and in this video, I've got a really cool automation that I've been working on that I am excited to show you to just get things started. Imagine this. Maybe you're working in sales, you're working in marketing, you're trying to make a plan around how to improve a business, or maybe you're just applying for a job. What if with a click of a button, you could get an entire overview of a company, basically some of their strengths, their weaknesses, their social presence, everything that they say about themselves, as well as everything that some of their customers are saying about them and their employees. That'd be pretty amazing, right? Which is why in this video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly that. This is a business analysis automation that I put together. First, I'm going to run it, show you the output that it'll be creating, and then I'll walk you through each of the modules to show you exactly how it works and how it can be modified to fit whatever situation you're trying to use it in, because this has so many applications, it's actually mind-blowing. First, as an example, let's check out Wrist Aficionado. This is a company that sells watches. Here we are setting that as a variable. And then what we're going to do is run this automation, and it'll take a bit of time to run, maybe about a minute or two. What's happening right now is that Apify, it's a scraping software, is going through the keyword, and within this, it has various search terms, and it's taking the top results for each of the search terms. So for instance, watch aficionado reviews, watch aficionado about us, watch aficionado homepage. Here we're pulling all of the terms that are the first to go on the search results page. We're aggregating that into an array. We're sharing that with Claude, and it's parsing through all of the different URLs and picking the 5 most relevant. And from there, we're turning that into JSON object form, and I'll get back to that later. But here is our output. So here you can see we have some of the strengths, the weaknesses of the brand, some of the opportunities, some of the threats, as well as quotes that are said about the things, like discover the world's most prestigious luxury watches. There's also quotes from other people, like a Reddit user said, the photos posted ended up being borrowed photos. So that's not a great thing. If a company wants to monitor their social presence, they could use this and figure out where there may be some detractors online that they can respond to. And then finally, there's a section of key takeaways where it gives a great overview of the business. So say you're in sales, maybe you're trying to reach out to companies and you want to get a clear overview of where they stand in their market, their positioning, as well as their product line. This would be a great way to just see exactly what they're doing. To see how to put this into action, really the secret sauce takes place with these modules. So here we're feeding in the URLs that are selected by Claude. These are the ones that are most relevant to the homepage. Here we have the About Us page. Here we have a Reddit experience. Here we have some press mentions, and then some customer reviews on eBay. And this will change for whatever company you're in. You can also get a lot more information. I'm just doing 5, but if you're doing this for a company, you could, in theory, get 50 web pages, scrape all of those, get all the information online around a company, put it together into one report, and do that all with a click of a button. So this is a really powerful automation. With this, you're able to also look through the web page with Perplexity. That's how we're analyzing the web page, parsing out all of the most relevant things, some quotes, brand perception, positioning. And the key with this is to really just get Perplexity to capture as much information as possible for each of the different web pages. Then that gets aggregated into an array. And then all of these scrapes will get output as a long text document. So from that, what you're able to do is take that giant wall of text from all the scraped web pages of all the most important information parsed out, all the quotes, all that, and then run it through Anthropic to get a list of some of the key takeaways. That's where we found our variables there, which we had output in JSON format. And then from there, that's our SWOT analysis that we put into a Google Sheet. And you can do this with any company. Here are some other companies that I was testing it on. If you want to feed in specific web pages, you can do that as well. That might be more time intensive, but this is a great way just to kickstart things, especially say you're trying to empower a sales team to be more customized in their outreach. By giving them this information right off the bat and also tailoring it to your specific use case, how your company operates, how you might be able to help, you're going to be able to reach out in a much more tailored, sophisticated way. And from that, probably improve your close rate and get a lot of great things done. The awesome part for me is that this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can do so much with these plug and play automations, and it also doesn't take a lot to tailor them to your own use cases. So imagine building one of these out for your sales team, one of these out for your marketing team. You could even do it as just an overall company monitoring of what people are saying online about you and run it every week and know when you need to get back to certain inquiries or if there's detractors out there talking about your company. This is the best way to just locate these things and then to handle them appropriately. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and get in touch with us at Agentic if you'd like to implement some of these automations yourself. Until next time, keep automating, and I'll catch you in the next video.